Shiny stones. Tall waving grass.
Splashy blue water.
Splashy blue water. That's right.
This is me happy real proud.
There's me happy in my pond with my family. Who's the family, Allie?
Oh, family. Daddy or mommy? Daddy. Mommy. Baby.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy fishy.
Mm-hmm.
Baby fishy.
Mm-hmm. Who else?
Daddy fishy.
Okay.
Daddy fishy.
2 daddy fishies? Is there not a mommy fishy?
Baby fishy.
In my pond.
Dodo grass is fresh blue water.
Tall grasses and splashy blue water.
I saw the book.
It's the start of the book. You want to start over? In my pond. They're shiny stones.
Tall grasses.
Tall waving grasses.
Blue water.
Splashy blue water.
This is me.
And there's me. I'm happy swimming in my pond
Family.
with my family.
Mommy, Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, Daddy,
That's right.
Mommy, Daddy, Baby,
Yay.
Fishy.